Hey guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to connect custom domain to Odoo. So if you're interested, let's get started. In this case, for you to add a custom domain here, you need to do a few things first. So first things first is you need to submit a request. Now, in this case, at the top left of your screen, you should be able to see the three options here, which is site, reporting, and configuration. You want to go to configuration here and you want to go to domain name. Now, in this case, we want to first make sure that we submit a request here. Now, this is to avoid in this case, to avoid potential views on the Odoo platform here. So you need to be following the following rules first. First is you need to have a clear and concise homepage here that actually introduces your business. And also you need a contact page and information, or you need to include your contact information, including your name, your email address, and your phone number as well. And also at least one of your page of product or service information if applicable. Now, in this case, once you meet the criteria here, you can go and click on my website. It's ready here, and you can go and proceed on sending a request for first, and basically have Odoo review it first. Now, once they've determined that your website is good, you should be able to start adding your domain. But typically, when you click on domain name here, it will give you or redirect you to the appropriate page here. But in this case, the actual setup process actually depends on in this case, the provider or the host, the carrier for your domain. So this is from an article from Odoo themselves. So typically, you need to set up your CNAME record here via the your domain name register. So meaning you need to create a CNAME record with the following, which is going to be your domain that actually points to your database, which is the link that you see usually on your website here at the very top, which is the URL. Now, this case is just this is just an example. This actually depends on what your register looks like. Now, in this case, like for example, if you have like a GoDaddy domain, you just need to edit your actual domain. You want to go to DNS records, and you want to choose or fill out the following. First is going to be the type, which is CNAME. The name is going to be the value for your shop. The name of your website, and the value here is going to be the domain or the original domain of Odoo, your database domain, like what we said before, which is your, let me just show it here. So in this case, this is the URL. So that's going to be the default value that you see here. But yeah, so in this case, you just need to fill out those details and make sure that you fill out this. But again, this depends on the provider you have. But usually, you just need to create a CNAME record here on your DNS records or your DNS settings. And TTL here does not actually matter that much. You keep this as is. Once you're done, just click on save. And from here on, you just need to wait for a few hours. Now, just to give you some information here, connecting a domain takes up to 48 hours. So if you don't see any change immediately, you need to wait for a few hours before it actually takes effect. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.